Welcome back. Before we begin, let me know in the comments what's been resonating for you and what you want more of. Feedback shapes the direction of these teachings. If you want deeper access, the full Humanfluence membership is open, where you'll get everything I can't post publicly. And if you're into reading, you can grab one of my books on Amazon. It supports the work and gives you a deeper foundation to stand on. All right, let's get to it. The holographic universe. Explained so clearly it can't be unheard. What if I told you the universe isn't built out of things, but out of information? Not metaphorically, literally. The holographic universe isn't the idea that life is fake or that reality is a computer simulation. It's the idea that the entire cosmos is a projection of deeper, unseen data arranged on a boundary you never directly perceive. Just like a hologram. And here's the part that breaks the brain cleanly and beautifully. Every point in a hologram contains the whole. Not a piece, the whole. That means consciousness isn't trapped inside your skull. Your brain is not generating reality. It's decoding a field of information that already exists around you, within you, and beyond you. Think about this. A hologram works through interference patterns, invisible waves overlapping to produce a visible world. Physics says the same thing. Reality is made of fields, not particles. Particles are just what fields look like when they line up in perfect interference. Your senses interpret the interference. Your mind interprets the pattern. Your identity is simply the location where the pattern becomes self-aware. If the universe is holographic, then boundaries are illusions. Distance is an illusion. Separation is an illusion. The external world is an illusion. You and everything you experience are made of the same field, expressing itself from different angles. That includes déjà vu, synchronicity, intuition, telepathy, dreams that are more real than this life. These are not glitches, they're recognition moments. Signals that the field is not divided the way your biology makes it seem. You aren't a person inside a universe. You're a universe temporarily wearing the mask of a person. And the mask is thin. The reason the holographic model is so powerful is because it ends the argument between spirituality and physics. It says both were describing the same architecture the whole time, just from different sides of the veil. Mysticism said all is one. Physics said all is information. Combine them and you get the truth. One information field dreaming itself in infinite forms. Your consciousness is one lens of that dream, but the light behind the lens is the same in all beings. So what does this mean for everyday life? It means when you change internally, the external world responds, because both are projections of the same source. It means thought doesn't stay in your head, it vibrates through the field. It means emotion isn't private, it ripples. It means healing yourself heals the collective. And it means you were never small, never separate, never random. You are the field remembering itself. The holographic universe doesn't shrink reality into something fake. It elevates it into something divine, participatory, creative, and alive. And once you see it, you realize the truth you've felt your entire life. You aren't living in the universe. You're generating it. One moment of awareness at a time. Humanfluence, out.